Hi, guys. Welcome to lesson 52 with distance learning with Rick. What fun! Um, it is fun, except that I'm talking to myself and it's just really weird that I don't have anyone there. It's just you guys and the computer. So you might hear some noise. I have people working on my house, so if you hear things, don't worry about that. Okay. All right. So we are on our food unit. Okay. Oh, let me set my timer. Uh, Sorry. I want to set my timer so that I know that I'm not going too over and I'm giving you guys a fair lesson. Okay. There we go. All right. We're on our food unit. We learned breakfast foods. So, how should we do this? Okay. I'm going to review with you these signs first, and then I'll give you a minute to practice them to yourself. Okay. So, first, egg, bread, toast, bagel, butter, peanut butter, jelly, bacon, sausage, cereal, oatmeal, yogurt, muffin, potato, waffle, pancake, syrup, fruit, banana, orange juice, milk, coffee, tea. All right. Remember, I really need you to sign. You can take this next minute and just not sign with me, but I have to grade you for this. And when it gets to the point of the test and the projects, you're not going to know it. So I need you to sign through this list. Okay. If you need to rewind the video to practice again, that's okay. But run through this list right now to yourself. I'll give you a minute. I'll give you another 20 seconds. All right, let's move on. All right, what do you think the sign for lunch is? If you did food at noon, you're right. Okay. Again, remember, be signing along with me. Please, 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 I beg you, be signing along with me. Okay. So let's put this together. Lunch, you eat what? My lights went off. Let me fix my lights. I have a timer on my lights, and they weren't ready for me to teach right now. Okay. Let's put this together. Lunch, you eat what? One more time. All right. Let's go over some lunch foods. What do you think the sign for sandwich is? What do you think the sign for sandwich is? Some of you are probably doing this, and you're really close. All right, two flat open B's, one on top of the other like a sandwich, sandwich, sandwich. And this is sandwich in general, okay? We'll learn how to make more specific sandwiches probably next lesson. Meat. So this top left one I'm looking at, okay? The steak one, meat or steak. What do you think the sign for meat or steak is? I doubt you'll get it, but I want you to try. The sign for meat. Non-dominant hand is open. Dominant hand, we'll use like this F pinching hand shape. You are going to grab the meaty part of your finger. Meat or steak? Meat or steak? This bottom right picture is pork or ham. What do you think the sign for pork or ham is? This one's hard. Or not hard, but not obvious. So here's the sign. Dominant hand is an open palm B, and you tap it under your chin. Pork, pig, or ham. The reason this is the sign for it is because it comes from the sign dirty. This is the sign for dirty. Okay? Pork, pig, or ham. Chicken. What do you think the sign for chicken is? It's the same sign as bird. All right? Do you remember the sign for bird? What number is this? 20. 20. Bird. Or chicken, sorry. This is bird or chicken. Bird or chicken. What do you think the sign for turkey is? Teaching here for a while, I know some of you are doing something over here in this area, right? And if you did that, you're basically right. It's a G right here under your chin, turkey. G under your chin, turkey. And it's that little thing that hangs from his neck. Soup. What do you think the sign for soup is? I'm pretty sure that some of you got this. Non-dominant hand is cupped like a bowl. Dominant hand is a U. So this will represent your spoon and you're eating. Soup. Soup. Now, if you're talking about vegetable soup, the sign for vegetable is a V that twists by your mouth. Vegetable soup. If you're talking about chicken soup, chicken soup. Good. Salad. What do you think the sign for salad is? I think a couple of you might have got it. Open claw hand shape, and you're making the salad. 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 Sushi. Sushi. Sign for sushi. Some of you might be doing something like this. Good guess, but you're not right. Okay. But I like that if you're doing this, you're thinking some sort of visually, right? Non-dominant hand is cup. This will essentially be like the casing of the sushi roll. Dominant hand is a U, right? And you're placing the like the fish and the stuff inside the sushi roll. Sushi. Sushi. What do you think the sign for fish is? I think some of you probably got this one. This one's a little easy too. Fish. Fish. I'm trying to show you different angles. Fish. Fish. Pizza. There's a couple signs for pizza. I'm going to teach you the two most popular ones. One I guarantee you won't know. The other one, you might get close. What do you think the sign for pizza is? All right, so sign number one for pizza. You're going to make like a cupped hand shape with your dominant hand, and it's like you're eating a slice of pizza. 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 The other one is like this. You're going to make a bent V, and you're going to make a Z in the air. Z right to an A. Za. Za. Now what this is a double Z, right? This is a Z, right? This is a double Z. P-I-Z-Z-A. Pizza. So let's go over those two again. Pizza. Pizza. Hot dog. Thoughts on the signs for hot dog? This is making me very hungry. This unit always makes me very hungry. Non-dominant hand is cupped. This is like the bun, okay? Don't get this confused with the sign for sushi. All right? It's almost exactly the same, except you're using a 1 this time for a hot dog. Hot dog, and you're placing the hot dog in the bun. Hot dog. hot dog. I should put condiments on here, like ketchup and mustard. Um, Hamburger. I doubt you'll get this. I don't think anyone has ever got this unless I told it to you before. This one's, um, it's not hard. I just think it's a little out there until I teach it to you. All right, it's time for hamburger. Ready? Two cupped hands, and you're basically making the shape of the hamburger. Hamburger. You're like making the patty. Hamburger. Okay, I've taught you the sign for cheese in previous classes, like when we were talking about breakfast, like bacon, egg, and cheese. So if you're going to sign cheeseburger, you literally just sign cheese and then hamburger. Okay, so let's do that. Let's put that together. Cheese and then hamburger. Cheese, hamburger. Cheeseburger. Cheese, hamburger. Let me check how we're doing on time. Okay, we're good. The sign for French fry. I taught you this sign like way back. Who remembers what it was? French fry. Sorry for all the noise. French fry. It's an F and it will bounce. French fry. F F. Okay. Some of you might be saying like, "Oh, isn't this the sign for 99?" Which it is, but context, right? Lunch you want eat what? I want to eat not 99, but French fries. Okay. Chicken wings. I love this sign. I think this sign is pretty fun. What do you think the sign for chicken wings is? I think one person's ever got this right. I don't know if you guys know Amari. He got this right. Chicken wing. Chicken wing. Chicken wing. Taco. Thoughts on the sign for taco? What do you think it is? All right. Another one to be careful for because it looks just like sushi. It looks just like hot dog. Non-dominant hand is going to make that cup shape, right, for the taco roll. This time it's going to be an open B because you got a lot of stuff going into that taco. Taco. All right. Let's look at all those three together. I'll do them in like small to big order. Hot dog, sushi, taco. Let's do it backwards. Taco, sushi, hot dog. Water. Y'all know the sign for water. What is the sign for water? Water. W. Water. This next one is soda. You won't get this. You're probably doing like the open the soda can. You won't get this one. It's a little strange. So it's like non-dominant hands, like a cupped hand shape. Non-dominant hands, a cup shape. You're gonna make a drop middle finger, and you kind of bounce it. The way I learned this and was taught it is basically like you're saying like soda pop, soda pop. Okay. All right. Let's review all of our signs. I don't want to use this because I want it to be a little bit more visual. So we're going to use this. Sandwich. Meat. Pig or pork. Chicken. Turkey. Soup. Vegetable soup. Chicken soup. Salad. Sushi. Fish. 2 cents for pizza. Hot dog. Hamburger. cheeseburger, French fry, chicken wing, taco, water, soda. I want to go back to two of these. Okay. Hamburger or maybe hot dog and French fries. You might want ketchup to go with it. So the sign for ketchup: non-dominant hand is a fist. Dominant hand is open, and like you're hitting the ketchup bottle. Ketchup, ketchup. The other one that I wanted to do was chicken wings, because the reason why I wanted to do this is because you might like chicken wings hot, right? Now, if I say I want hot wings, right? What do you actually mean? Think about that for a second. When you say you want hot wings, what do you actually mean? Now, I taught you the sign for hot with oatmeal, right? Hot. If you sign hot chicken wings, you're talking about um like the heat, like the temperature of it, like it just came out of the oven and it's like, ow, this is hot, I can't eat it, right? Like it was just made and it's hot. What I think you mean is spicy. Okay, so if you want your wings to be spicy, spicy, spicy. Okay, there's a difference between hot and spicy. Maybe you just made like a grilled cheese sandwich, right? And it's hot. It's not spicy, it's hot, right? Versus chicken wings, which could be spicy, but not hot. I hope that made a little bit of sense. Okay. All right. I'm going to ask you the question: lunch, you eat what? Lunch, you eat what? And I want you to sign lunch, I eat three things. Rank order three things for lunch that you ate. Okay. Here we go. Tell me, make sure you rank order and do the full sentence. Lunch, I eat three things. All right. Sorry, I hit the mic. All right. Now we go out to places for lunch, right? So let's learn how to say this. Lunch, you go out where? Lunch, here's a sign for go out. Go out. Go out. And you should know the sign for where. Where? Let's put that together. Lunch, you go out where? This also means outside. So like you're leaving. One more time. Lunch, you sorry, pause. Let's do that again. Lunch. Good. All right. Maybe for lunch, you go to a restaurant. Yes, McDonald's counts as a restaurant too, and so does Burger King. They're fast food restaurants. So you might go to a fancy restaurant, or maybe you'll go to like a fast food restaurant. The sign for restaurant is an R that wipes your face like a napkin. Restaurant. Restaurant. The sign for McDonald's. You have two signs you can use. Everyone in the whole country uses one particular sign. Here in New York, we use a completely different sign. So it's up to you. This is the sign that like everyone else except us uses. It's two M's that make like the golden arches. McDonald's. The sign that basically everyone in New York uses is a non-dominant fist that goes MD. McDonald's. MD. Either one is fine. McDonald's. I like this one though. MD. The sign for Wendy's is two W's, and you're basically gonna make her pigtails. Wendy's. Wendy's. The sign for Burger King is basically the sign for King. Remember the sign for Queens, like the place, like area in New York, Queens? It's a Q that goes like that. The sign for King is a king that goes like this, like the sash, right? Burger King is B to a K. BK, Burger King. Starbucks, it's two eights that flick together. Starbucks. Starbucks. Chipotle. Non-dominant hand is a cup shape. Dominant hand is a C for Chipotle, and it touches. Chipotle. Chipotle. Chinese food, you're literally just signing China plus food. Okay? So some of you might not have learned the sign for China. It's a dominant pointer finger one, one, two, and three. You're basically making the three buttons of the traditional military garb. Chinese food. All right. Those are some of the main places. So let's do it one more time. We'll do this one quick. Lunch you go out where? We go to a restaurant. McDonald's, either McDonald's or McDonald's. Wendy's. Burger King. BK. Starbucks. Chipotle. Chinese food. And other restaurants you basically spell, like Henko's, you would have to spell it. Hale and Hearty, you would have to spell it. Five Guys, spell it. We're just going to we're going to spell two of these, and I'll give you the easiest ones for us to spell. The one that most of you go with is the deli. So let's spell deli. Let's spell KFC. Okay. Okay, your homework for tonight is going to be to practice the Flipgrid. You can watch this video again, right? You'll get this slide on Flipgrid to see what you have to sign, all right? And I want to see you practicing to Flipgrid. I want to see you signing all of these to Flipgrid. Okay, guys? If you have any questions, please let me know. Please send me an email. I hope you guys have a good day.